Do you know how to import data from a SharePoint folder into Power BI? Don't miss this video. Hello everyone, Shabi is back with another video, and today I want to talk about importing data from a SharePoint folder. If it's the first time you're watching my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get the notification for the new upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Previously, I created a video and showed you how you can import monthly data from a folder. In this video, I described everything in more detail. So, I recommend you first watch it and then come back to this video and see how to get data from a SharePoint folder. I received some questions after publishing the previous video that when we insert the URL in the SharePoint data connector, it's not working. What's the solution? If you face this issue, you need to apply some simple steps and you can easily solve it. There are a couple of ways to solve it, but usually when you're working in an organization, you don't have access to all SharePoint folders, and some of these solutions are not working for you. I'll describe one of them which can be useful without these problems. For example, in this SharePoint folder, I have these files, the same as last video, and I want to import them into Power BI. So, if I copy this folder URL and go back to the Power BI, and from Get Data, and then More, search for folder, and choose SharePoint folder. Here I can insert the URL and get the data. But when I insert it, you can see this error icon that shows it's not working. So what's the solution? The solution is easy. I just remove whatever is in this URL up to here, the second slash after the main SharePoint URL, and then press on OK. Now you can see here all the files available not only in our desired folder, but also whatever else available in the company SharePoint portal. You can see many different files in different formats which are not useful for our reporting purpose, and we can't use them. Unlike the previous video, if we need to import monthly reports and then append them together, we cannot do that now, because we have different files with different formats which are not matching to each other. So this time, instead of combine, we should only choose transform to open Power Query Editor. Then here you can see all the files in this list. What we need to do is go into this column, folder path, and just select the folder we need. Or from here, text filters, insert the folder path and filter the data for the folder we need. For example, in our case, these are the files I need. So if I click on this cell, below here you can see the folder path, and I just copy it. And then filter the path to show only the files in this folder. So easy. Now we have our 3 files here, but as you can see, we can only see some information about the files, not the data in them. So from the first column, Content, I click here. And this combine window will appear for us. I'm just choosing sheet 1 and press on OK. You can see after some seconds the information in all three files combined together, and we can use the data for further analysis. Whenever a new month data is added to this folder, this data will be updated automatically. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it, and subscribe to the channel to get the notification for the new upcoming videos. Have a good day, all Power BI lovers.